You know what I hate about some buses like this here? You can't hear the exhaust from inside, man. Ooh, that's a nice retarder. Hey. Now these MMCs here, they're starting to go up. These E400 MMCs, they're getting older. Oh, what's this prick doing, man? But nah, man, these MMCs, yeah, they're starting to get older and that. You know, you can hear the sounds developing. Yeah, there's a difference in the way MMCs were sounding when they were brand new, the retarders and that, compared to that. That one's kind of developing the old school voice retarder tune, you know, which some E200 MMCs have developed. Yeah, like the KB batch. Now the KB Stagecoach's KB batch, they've got the only ones that I know that have developed it. You know, the old school voice retarder tune where it actually sounds like a baby screaming. You know. That's what I love about voice, man. They make some goofy noises. I like it. You know, they're very musical. They're very musical. I don't know why people go only gas up voice when they got kicked on though. Like, they still provide, you know, character in the way they shift, in the way, you know, they shift from neutral to drive. You know, they do it frequently when you press the brake and let go of the brake, and you know, I love the way some voice here, they do this thing right when you brake the bus here, it'll automatically send it into neutral, and then when you let go of the brake, it'll send it back into gear 1. And then if it clocks the bus has stopped, it'll go back into neutral again. But the thing is, people don't understand, Jeff. Some people think buses are only going into neutral when the engine revs above the idle RPM. The engine, it doesn't always do that, because you have to realise, right, the engine speed, yeah, is literally it's influenced by the throttle, the amount of throttle that's being sent to the engine, and the torque converter oil flow. Yes, it's to do the torque converter's oil flow as well. So yeah, basically what these torque converters do, right, is they have different rates that the oil gets spinned at sometimes, and that's what influences the engines like revving when the torque converter is unlocked, right? I know a bit about it, but I don't know too much on it still. I'm still finding out more information regarding how torque converters work on buses, because I think they work pretty interesting. You know, I think they work pretty interesting because so based on the torque converter's rate, yeah, that oil is flowing at, it will have an impact on the engines, the level the engines are. That's why, yeah, on neutral, yeah, these voices, yeah, you'll hear them rev up, yeah, and then rev down, because the because basically, yeah, the oil flow, yeah, So what it does, right, is when the bus goes onto neutral, because it's no longer connected to the transmission, right, that causes the engine to rev up a bit. So the engine needs to decelerate a bit. So that's why it revs back down. And the oil flow decreases when the bus is set into neutral, because it no longer needs to transmit no power to the wheels, so it doesn't need to let out as much oil